Hello, this is Adrienne, Capricorntigress of astrologyaLookInside.com. And I wanted to just come and do a little bit more and talk a little bit more about this upcoming full moon in Virgo lunar eclipse. This eclipse happens, or let's say the full moon. The full moon happens on March 13th. And it happens in the latter degrees of Virgo. And as the full moon rises in March 2025, Virgo's analytical energy guides us. The full moon in Virgo happens at 23 degrees and 56 minutes of Virgo. So if you have planets in the latter degrees of any of the succeeding the houses, the signs such as Virgo, Pisces, Sagittarius, or Gemini, you'll definitely feel this for sure. And on a positive note, if you're a water sign or an earth sign, it should be a positive boon for you. During this full moon in Virgo, in this lunar eclipse, the blood moon that everyone's so excited about, connect with nature to ground yourself and to find inner peace. Inner peace is needed now because of the chaos that is going on and raging outside of us. So embrace self-improvement during this time of clarity and organization. And hopefully you will get a feeling of clarity and organization. This full moon in Virgo and the lunar eclipse in this area also coincides with the retrograde of Mercury in Aries. So it is a good time to express gratitude for achievements and lessons that have been learned during this full moon. Over the next 2 weeks, you'll definitely feel this. And during the entire time of this Mercury retrograde, I would take time to reflect and to review things and to just go in and maybe restart things and renew things and regenerate what can be regenerated. When the moon is full in Virgo, we tend to be a little bit perfectionistic. There is a tendency toward perfectionism. And, it's almost impossible for most of us to attain any form of perfection. So this is a great time to let go of perfectionism and to focus on progress and growth. It's better to do it and get it done than to try to do it perfect and not get it done at all. Thank you for listening in. If you're new to Astrology, a Look Inside, please take a moment to like this video and to subscribe to the channel and to share the video if you like it. Make a comment and let me know what sign you are and where your moon sign is. And if this full moon in Virgo is affecting you, or this Mercury retrograde in Aries is affecting you. I also want to remind you that I am not only an astrologer, but also a sacred soul alignment healer. I'm also an abundance and manifestation coach. So please feel free to find out more about what services I offer by visiting us at calendly.com/astrology-a-look-inside. That's calendly.com/astrology-a-look-inside. You can also find out what services and products we offer by visiting our website at astrologyalookinside.com. And you can visit our shop there So take a look and see if there's anything that we offer that interests you. So let's continue our talk on the full moon in Virgo. It's important to reflect on practicality when the moon is full in Virgo and attention to detail under this full moon influence. Virgo is very precise. They're they pay very, very close attention to detail. In fact, I have a daughter who has her sun in Virgo, her moon in Virgo, and Mercury, her chart ruler, in Virgo, all within 1 degree. And she has come into my house and looked into the deepest corner and found bugs. I haven't seen them. Like, she'll see a spider. I've been living with that spider for a year, and her eyes are so precise to detail that she immediately can find it. That's Virgo. When the moon is full in Virgo, it's also a great time to release clutter, physical and emotional, to invite new opportunities and abundance. You know, sometimes we have a lot of clutter, and I'm looking around my apartment right now and realize this entire place is cluttered. But we also have physical and emotional clutter. So take the time over the next couple of weeks to release all of that clutter and to invite new opportunities in for abundance, because your mind hopefully is going to be able to see the finest details. Since Virgo rules both work and health, it's important to seek balance in work and health routines for your overall health, your overall well-being. It's important not to spend too much time on work or health. You know, this could be a time where you could go into workaholism, and that could lead to health problems. So that balance is vital. Virgo is extremely precise. So during this full moon in Virgo, be sure to tap into Virgo's precision to refine your plans and set realistic goals. Most importantly, trust in the universe's plan and your abilities, your own abilities, as the moon wanes over the next 2 weeks. You know, after this moon in Virgo, we're going to have a solar eclipse in the sign of Aries at 9 degrees. It happens on March 29th. So I want you to trust in the universe as we move towards that Aries solar eclipse, away from this Virgo lunar eclipse. Take those 2 weeks to really trust in the universe's plan, but your own abilities, and to refine your work, and to take advantage of this opportunity to perfect your work, and to review things, and to redo things, and to revise things, and to make your work as close to perfect as you possibly can, and to make yourself as close to perfect as you possibly can. This has been Adrienne, Capricorntigress of astrologyaLookInside.com, and we've been discussing this full moon in Virgo that happens on March 13th at 23 degrees and 56 minutes. Where is your moon sign or sun sign or rising sign? How will this full moon in Virgo affect you? And how will that blood moon and lunar eclipse affect you? As well as this Mercury retrograde in Aries, how will that affect you? And are you prepared for the solar eclipse that will be coming up on March 29th at 9 degrees of Aries? these are the things to consider as we look over the next 2 weeks. Many blessings from Adrienne, Capricorntigress of Astrology, a look inside.com. Astrology, a look inside. Presenting astrology and tarot readings for all.